Welcome to Market Snapshot from the InCred Equities desk. In this podcast, our expert from the equities research team helps you navigate the stock markets with a quick roundup on the previous day's closing, along with relevant insights. Whether you are an experienced investor or starting out, this podcast will equip you to take informed decisions.
Good morning, everyone. Nifty has moved in line with expectations. We have been saying that 24,000 zone is going to be a good support area. And we had recommended buying Nifty spot around 23,900, keeping the stop loss of 23,810.15, which was the previous swing low that was made. From there, Nifty witnessed 300-400 points upside. Rather, it was more than that. And we have seen a good amount of upside coming in a matter of few days. This was again supported by a positive divergence that was seen on daily charts. Has the index found bottom yet? It's difficult to say because bottoms and tops are formed in hindsight. But as of now, I do not think so that the correction is over yet. We may see some more leg of correction. From top, Nifty has corrected 10%, which was what I have been talking about, that there can be a 10% correction in Nifty, and that was the reason why I said one should start building portfolio. However, we have not seen a major correction or a bigger correction in the broader market yet, which again raises the possibility that we may see some more correction going forward. What we are witnessing right now is technical bounce back towards the head and shoulder breakdown area. 24,700 is going to be a key resistance to watch out for. We may see some more upside, but if it's not crossing and sustaining 24,700, then be prepared. We may see a fall towards 20,000, 20,500 in a jiffy. The US markets were extremely strong yesterday. They were up anywhere between 2.5% to almost 4%. One of the biggest rises on intraday basis. This was predominantly because of Donald Trump winning the elections. What can be the reason? It's again actually difficult to say. What I can understand is he talks more about growth of US companies, more policies, liberation of taxes. So maybe that might be the reason why the US markets were taking this in a very positive manner. The swearing-in ceremony will be in January, which is going to be some time away. And then after that some time, we'll see implementation of his ideologies, his schemes in the US. So before that, we may see even profit booking in US markets as well. However, the reallocation which I was talking about, and I talked about this earlier as well, that money which FI is selling, it's not going back to their pockets and they are exiting altogether. No, there is reallocation that is happening from Indian markets to Chinese market, and also from Indian markets to US markets, because now they have become interesting. Money always chases something which is outperforming. So at this point in time, US markets are very strong, they are outperforming. There will be correction over there as well, but as of now we are seeing outperformance, and that is why it's pulling money from all over. We may see some more pull happening. This is evident from the FI selling which was witnessed yesterday. So on the day when Nifty was up 250 points, we did not see selling reducing. It was 4,500 crores worth of selling in cash, which is a substantial amount. Domestic bought 4,900 crores, but this is one of the longest strides of selling by FIs continuously, not even day where it has stopped. It has reduced. It was down to almost 500 crores in a day, but then also it was not on a positive side. Coming back to Indian markets, Bank Nifty is the key to watch out for. 52,500 is the immediate resistance area. If it gives an hourly close above 52,500, one can buy Bank Nifty for 1,000 points upside, keeping the stop loss at 200 points. Overall sentiment remains positive for now, but as I said, play for a bounce, don't play for a bottom as yet. For stock specific, of course, you should be playing for bottom out process. Apart from this, only as I said, stealthily we have seen dollar index moving higher, and that has resulted in a strong correction in gold and silver dollar terms, on an intraday basis. So that is what can impact the markets. US Fed meeting today is also going to be watched over. People are expected for 25 pips cut. If that happens, the possibility of us having a rate cut will also increase in the next couple of months. So that can also give a trigger. Gift Nifty is pointing towards 100 points cut as we speak. In my opinion, we may open a flat to mild negative note, but then we may see a pullback. With the kind of euphoria we have seen in US markets, Asian markets are not extremely up, but they are positive. So we should not be ending, or at least the first half should not be on a very weak note. So that is it from my side. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.